I welcome you all to MOOC's course entitled Community Engagement and Social Responsibility. We will be discussing Unit 1 titled Community Engagement. Unit 1 has been divided into two modules. Today, we will be discussing Module 2 of Unit 1 titled Local Community, Rural Culture and Practice of Community Engagement. In the fourth part of Module 2, we will study about the changes in Indian rural lifestyle and health facilities available in rural areas. In the previous part, we studied the rural community development and important areas for rural community development. We talk about the changes in Indian rural lifestyle. As we already discussed that the rural culture or the rural status or the rural community has improved a lot over the period of time. So what are the changes which have taken place in that? So there is the change in the caste system, in the marriage system, in the living system, family system or Jajmani system. So what are these changes? How it take place? Like as we already discussed that in the caste system, in the rural areas specifically the caste system is there and that need to be controlled or removed at all. We need to work on this so that we can talk about the equity. Okay, how we can treat the people who are belonging to the lower caste as equal to the upper caste. So that is important that changes have taken place with the help of the community development activities, their efforts and even the various government initiatives are there and so many NGOs are also working for the benefit or for the improvement of these systems they are working. Then the marriage system has also changed. Okay, earlier it was there that in the very young age the children's getting married, so that is also need to improve and there are also the various law, the act has been basically given by the government or government has taken various initiatives and actions against this the child marriage system. The living system has improved now. Okay, now they have started improving their economic standard so that the status of living has also improved over the period time. So that is the family is also improving and Jajmani system is also somehow related or due to this caste system itself. So what are these, how these changes are taking place that we will need to discuss in detail. So ruler first is the Jajmani system. Now what is this Jajmani system? Jajmani system says that an economic system most notably found in villages of India in which lower caste perform various functions for upper caste and receive the grain or other goods in return. Okay, basically like if some family function is taking place in the family of some upper caste people. So the lower caste people will go there, they will help in their household activities, they will work there in those functions and in return they will get some grain or some other goods from the higher caste system. That is the Jajmani system. So now which has improved, where now the lower caste people need not to serve as the slaves for upper caste system. So that has taken place still in some very remote areas, rural areas, this problem, this particular system is going on. But in most of the areas, this has been removed. Then the caste system, high caste were the landowners, basically middle rank, backward caste, they are the farmers or artisans, and the lowest ranked scheduled caste, the laborers who perform basically the unskilled task. They require to work for these two castes. Either they are working in the landowners' houses, they are doing their daily household chores, or they are working in the farmers, they have whom have their own lands available for the agriculture purpose. So in their agriculture lands, these scheduled caste or the lower caste people are going there and providing their help and getting something in return. So basically this caste system is still there in the rural society and which is changing, but the change is a gradual change. Okay, over the period of time it's changing, or the system has improved. Now the other feature of rural lifestyle which needs the change, that is the family system. A rural family is a single economic unit with all its members cooperating with one another in the agriculture and other operations on the basis of simple division of labor by age, sex under the management of a single head. So basically what was going on, and thus the earlier one person, one family member, generally the head of the family, used to work or earn the livelihood for the whole family. Now this system has also improved over the time period, that the females are also coming upward. They also started helping the male members in the earning the livelihood, okay, other than the family quotas. So that we are saying this family system is also changing on a positive note. Then health facilities in rural areas. Okay, generally we all aware about this thing, that in compare to urban areas, in rural areas the health services are little bit, they available at small levels, or maybe possible they are not sufficient as they are required. So there is, due to this reason, there is a high mortality rate and a lack of education. Technology, sanitation and drainage system are not as important in rural region. They are not considering that these are at all very important things for, okay. So what happened, poverty is also there, especially high in the rural regions, and there are very few healthcare services are available. So now here the rural community development comes into action. They are providing, or even you can say the NGOs are there who are helping in these issues, and they are trying to promote some healthcare services in the rural areas specifically, so that this high mortality rate can be dropped down. Then still we say that these health facilities which the rural people are following, that is the system of Ayurveda and naturopathy. These are the two health practices used by the rural people to cure and prevent the illness. And sometimes it is very successful also, but not in all the type of diseases it is very successful. So for that purpose, it's important to improve the health services in the rural areas. So, in this part, we studied about the changes in Indian rural lifestyle and health facilities available in rural areas. In the next part, we will study about various rural development schemes of the government like Indira Vikas Yojana, Manrega, etc. Thank you.